Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Microsoft 365 account using Microsoft Entra ID, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying your Microsoft 365 account using Microsoft Entra ID, navigate to the Microsoft Entra portal. Sign in with your administrator account credentials. Once logged in, find the Users section in the left-hand navigation pane. Click on Users to access the list of user accounts associated with your organization. Locate the user account you want to verify. Select the account by clicking on the username. On the User Details page, look for the option that states Verify Identity or Verification Status. If the verification status shows as unverified, proceed to the next step. Click on the Verify option. You will then be prompted to choose a method for verification. Select your preferred verification method such as email or phone number. If you choose email, enter the email address associated with this account. If you choose phone, enter the phone number for multi-factor authentication. After selecting your method, click Send Verification Code. Check your email or phone for the verification code sent by Microsoft. Enter the received code into the verification prompt on the portal. Once entered, click Verify. If the code is correct, your account will now be marked as verified. Review the verification status to confirm the update. If there is an error message, double-check the code and try again. You may also repeat this process for any other users needing verification. After all accounts are verified, ensure to log out for security. Close the Microsoft Entra portal once you are finished with your tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.